teach you how to get a bang for your buck here at Sugarland. Now, all of our jars, they're $26. Doesn't matter how it's made of the alcohol proof. They're all 26. Now, if you get 3, the third's half off. If you get 6, we take care of the 6-1. If you're a first responder in the military or veteran, guys, thank you for what you do. We're giving you a 10% discount. Y'all clap it up for their hard work.
Oh, yeah! Hell yeah! Hoorah!
Hey guys, I have more. Got those wristbands of $5 coupons, little MOONSHINE merchandise. Y'all stack them with each other, plus they never expire. If you qualify for all those discounts, go ahead and use them all at once. And when you go on the other side of that wall to check out, let them know Rob took good care of you. Now, if y'all had a good time with me tonight, y'all give me one last hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah, guys. And this last flavor right here is making a comeback. It's our Eggo-Nog. Now, it's so good, it's going to have you singing the Golden Girls theme song. Once I pour it, tell you to drink it, you're going to thank me for being a friend, all right? Here we go. One big glass, God bless a happy family.
Hell yeah!
All right, guys.